Peter, should I include a 90-day clause in all my new contracts?
Well, it's entirely voluntary. Victoria University just last week have published their annual updates. They do an analysis of all collective employment agreements, and about half of collective do have a 90-day clause. In terms of individual, we don't know exactly how many do. In my experience, I think it would be fair to say now most do. And it's a matter of negotiation. If you are a senior level executive, you're much less likely to agree to a 90-day period. If you're in the middle or junior end, I find that it's very common. And essentially what it means is that within the 90-day period, you can terminate without having to go through the normal process of good reason to dismiss and procedure. So that is becoming more common. I'm also finding too, from a commercial point of view, that employers do think about it. You've paid a fee perhaps to an employment agency, you've gone through an induction process. I don't find that employers do it capriciously. But in terms of giving someone a chance who wouldn't have had a chance otherwise, it really is, well, look, take the risk, take me on, see what I'm like. Let's both of us see if we can work together.
So, Sarah, it sounds as though including the clause would be quite practical.
It is a practical step to take. It's important for businesses to have an opportunity to assess someone's suitability for the position. Matters that might not have been apparent from a CV or an interview, once they're in the workplace, there might be some issues. And so the provision of a 90-day trial period does allow an employer to dismiss if that person isn't suitable. But there are, of course, requirements before you can include a 90-day. That person can't have been employed by you previously. There must be negotiation with the proposed employee, and there must be a signed agreement in place before they start work. But provided those matters are met and that person isn't working out in your business, then you can dismiss without fear of an unjustified dismissal claim. Of course, you have committed time and resource to inducting that person. So I would agree with Peter that people don't rely on 90-day trial periods to dismiss people without some reason.